Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you Vedic maths, and in Vedic maths I am going to teach you tables tricks. The tricks, how can you learn the tables? Now I am going to share the screen with you. Now as you can see on the screen, these are the tricks to learn tables. How can you learn the tables? These are the Vedic maths tricks. And I have made the work very interesting for you. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the table of 14. I have started from the table of 14. Now, let's see how can you make the table of 14 without actually learning it. You see, this is 14. 14 is written here. And in 14, you can clearly see these are two digits. This is 1 and 4. These are two digits. So what I have done here, I have written the two digits separately. 1 I have written here and 4 I have written here. So separately I have written these two digits. Now what I have done here is, this is the table of 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 2 1 2 2, 1 3 3, 1 4 4, 1 5 5, 1 6 6, 1 7 7, 1 8 8, 1 9 9, 1 10 10. Now as you can see, this is 4. This is the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Now from the table of 1 and from the table of 4, how can you make the table of 14? You see here, this is one digit, 1 is one digit, 4 is one digit, 2 is one digit, and 8 is also one digit. Now 3 is also one digit, but you look here at this 12. Look here at the number 12. 12 is a two-digit number. Okay, 12 is a two-digit number. So what I have done on this 12, I have drawn this red line. I have drawn this red line starting from 12, and after 12 you can see this 16. 16 is also a two-digit number. After 16, 20, 20 is also a two-digit number. After 20, 24 is also two-digit number. After 24, 28 is also two-digit number. After 28, 32, 32 is also a two-digit number. After 32, 36 is also a two-digit number, and 40 is also a two-digit number. So you can see from 12 to 40, all these digits are two digits numbers. So I have drawn this red line starting from 12. Now I have to cover this whole area. You see, this is also a red line, and from here पैरेलल 12 के जो बीच में ये लाइन है, इसके बिल्कुल सामने, ओके, अपोजिट टू 12, 12 को जहां से ये रेड लाइन डिवाइड कर रही है, इसके बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट, ओके, इसके बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट, इसके बिल्कुल सामने ऑल्सो आई हैव ड्रॉन दिस लाइन. So like this you have to draw. Now you can see this mark. This is the mark of addition. Now how can you make the table of 14? Now you see, this is 1 and this is 4. These are actually written separately, but when we will combine 1 and 4, जब हम इन दोनों को एक साथ लिखेंगे, 1 and 4 को जब हम एक साथ लिखेंगे, तो ये एक साथ ये 14 हो जाएंगे. Okay, now see 28, 2 and 8 here are written separately, but हम जब इन दोनों को एक साथ लिखेंगे 2 and 8, वो 28 हो जाएगा. Okay, now you see, इन दोनों लाइंस के बीच में this is 3 and this is 1. Okay, this is 3 and now plus. Okay, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So this 4 is here. Okay, this 4 is here. 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is 4. Okay, नाउ देखिए 2 लाइन के बाहर ये 2 है, दिस इज 2, तो 2 आई हैव रिटन हियर एज इट इज. नेक्स्ट यू सी 4. ओके, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 I have written here, and इसके साथ में this is 6, so 6 here I have written as it is. Next you see this is 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, so I have written here 7, and 0 is this, so I have written here 0 as it is. Now next you see 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, so 8 I have written here, and 8 के साथ में this is 4, so 4 I have written here as it is. Next you see this is 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 is 9, so I have written here this 9, and 8 I have written here as it is. Next you see this is 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 is 11, so I have written here 11, and 2 is as it is, I have written here 2 as it is. Now 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, so 12 I have written here, and 6 is here, so I have written this 6 with 12. Okay, now next you see 10 plus 4, 10 plus 4 is 14, so 14 I have written here, and 0 is here, so I have written this 0 with this 14. So now if you check with the calculator, this is the table of 14. 14 1 is 14, 14 2 is 28, 14 3 is 42, 14 4 is 56, 14 5 is 70, 14 6 is 84, 14 7 is 98, 14 8 is 112, 14 9 is 1 2 6, and 14 10 is 40. So like this easily you can make the table of 14. Now let's see other work. Okay, now you can see here, this is the table of 13. So I'm going to explain you how I have made this table of 13, and the method is the same as you have seen just now. So I'm going to explain you how. Okay, now see, this is 13. 13 I have written 1 here and 3 here. Separately I have written this 13. Now 13, this is 1. So 1 के नीचे, this is the table of 1. 1, you can see here, this is the table of 1. And you see this is 3. So 3 के नीचे, you can see, pause the video and you can clearly see this is the table of 3. You can see 1 is a 1 digit number, 3 is also 1 digit number, 2 is 1 digit number, 6 is also 1 digit number, 3 is 1 digit number, 9 is also 1 digit number, but 4 is 1 digit number. But you look at this 12. 12 is not a 1 digit number. So now you see what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the line here. From 12, I'm going to draw the line here. You can see here, I have drawn this line. अब 12 के सामने this line है, and तो इसके सामने this line is also here, so I will put the mark of addition also here. So we have to add the numbers which are between these two lines. आप देख सकते हैं ये 2 lines है, one line is this and another line is this. Line के बीच में जो numbers हैं हमें उनको add करना है. Okay, line के बीच में जो numbers हैं हमें उनको add करना है. We have to add them. Okay, so I'm going to take the textbooks and now let's see how can we make this table. Now देखिए 31 and 3 are written here separately, but I'm going to write 1 and 3 together. Okay, एक साथ लिख दिया. Now see 2 and 6 I have written here together because these are 1 digit number. Next you see 3 and 9 I have written together because these are 1 digit number. Next you see, अब यहाँ पे this is 4. लाइन के बीच में 4 plus 1 है, लाइन के बीच में 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 5 and 2 जो लास्ट में बचा हुआ है 2 we will write down as it is. Next you see लाइन के बीच में 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, so 6 we will write down here, 5 we will write down as it is. Next you see this is 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 we will write here 8 एंड ये जो 8 बचा है इसके साथ में हम लिख देंगे एज इट इज. नेक्स्ट यू सी दिस इज 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 के बाद ये 1 लास्ट में बचा है. 1 we will write down as it is. Next you can see 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, so first we will write down 10. 8 plus 2 को add करेंगे तो we will get 10. And 4 ये देखिए लास्ट में जो ये 4 लिखा है as it is, we will write down here 4 as it is. Next you see देखिए 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. तो 11 first we will write here and ये जो 7 बचा है 7 we will write down as it is. Next you see 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13 and ये जो 0 बचा है 0 we will write down as it is. Now you can check this with the calculator. This is the table of 13. See, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 eights are 91, 13 nines, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117, and 13 tens are 70, 130. Okay, so like this is the table of 13. Okay, so next. Next, you can see here now, I have made your work very interesting. I have made your work very interesting. And let's see how can you make you can see here. So first, let me annotate it. First, let me annotate it. I'm going to annotate it. Yes. Now you see this is 29 and this is 37. We have to make the table of 29 and 37. See this 29 made 2 I have written here and 9 I have written in this line separately. अब 2 के नीचे this is the table of 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Now 9 के नीचे आप देखिए इस लाइन में this is the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. We have to make the table of 29. So first what we will do, we will draw the line. देखिए 2 is 1 digit number, 9 is 1 digit number, 4 is 1 digit number, but 18 is a 2 digit number. So we will draw the line from here. So I'm going to draw the line. अब ये line जो मैंने draw करी है इसके बिल्कुल opposite उतनी ही बड़ी I will draw the line here also. Okay, on 2 sides I will draw the line and बीच में I will put the mark of this addition. Okay, अब ये देखिए 2 lines. You can see these 2 lines. You can see these 2 lines. इन 2 lines के बीच में जो number है हमें उनको ऐड करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट यहाँ 37 में देखिए 3 and 7 I have written here separately. 3 की लाइन में you can see this is the table of 3 and 7 की लाइन में you can see this is the table of 7. Now see 3 is a 1 digit number, 7 is also 1 digit number, 6 is 1 digit number, but you see 14 is a 2 digit number. So I have to draw the line here. And जब मैंने यहाँ line draw करी है तो opposite to this also I will draw the line here also and same again I will put the mark of addition. Now आप ध्यान से देखिए यहाँ पे in the table of 2 and 3 के टेबल में you see this is 10. Don't do the mistake. Please गलती नहीं करनी है आपको. 10 ये 2 digit number है मगर ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जैसे 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 ये 2 डिजिट्स नंबर है मगर ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है तो इन नंबर्स को हम ऐसे ही रहने देंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट 3 के टेबल में देखिए 3 के टेबल में 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 2 डिजिट नंबर है, मगर ये ऐसे ही रहेंगे. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द टेक्स्ट बॉक्स हियर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू how can we make this. I'm going to tell you here. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you. See, 2 and 9 जो separately and we have written them together. Okay, next you see लाइन के बीच में क्या है. व्हाट इज लाइन के बीच में? 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so 5 I have written here. 8. अब इसके बाद में this is 8, तो 8 I have written here as it is. Next you see what is this? 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, 6 plus 2 is 8 and इसके बाद में यहाँ पे 7 है, तो 7 I will write down as it is. Next you see 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, 11 we will write down here and this is 6. So 6 we will write down here as it is. Next you see this is 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. लाइन के बीच में 10 plus 4 है. Okay, लाइन के बीच में 10 plus 4 है. 10 plus 4 is 14 and 14 के बाद like 5 है, तो 5 I will write down here as it is. Next you see लाइन के बीच में 12 plus 5 है. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 I have written here. 4 जो इसके साथ में है, 4 I will write down here as it is. Next you see 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 I will write here and 3 ये इसके साथ में यहाँ पे है, तो 3 I will write down here as it is. Next you see 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7 is 23. Okay, 23 I will write here and 2 इसके साथ में है, 2 I will write down here as it is. Next you see 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8 is 26. Okay, 26 I will write down here and 1 इसके साथ में है, 1 I will write down here as it is. Next you see 20 plus 9. 20 plus 9 is 29 and 0 इसके साथ में है, so 0 I will write down as it is. Now our table of 29 is complete. With the help of calculator you can check 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 58, 29 threes are 87, 29 fours are 116, 29 fives are 145, 29 six are 174. Like this you can see with the help of calculator. This is the table of 29. Now next I'm going to take the table of 37. So how can we make the table of 37? 37 में 3 and 7 separately लिखे हैं, तो 3 and 7 I have written together. Now next you see line के बीच में कौन कौन से नंबर हैं? This is 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, 7 and ये 4 आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं ऐसे कैसे, तो I have written 4 as it is. Now next line के बीच में देखिए, 9 के बीच में 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11 and ये one side में ऐसे ही है, तो 1 I will write down here as it is. Next you see 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 I will write here and ये 8 इसके साथ में है, तो 8 I will write down here as it is. Next you see 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 I will write here. Next this is 5. 5 here I will write down as it is. Next you see 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 I will write here and ये 2 इसके साथ में है, 2 I will write down here as it is. Next you see 21 plus 4. 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 I will write down here and ये 9 इसके साथ में है, तो 9 I will write down as it is. Next you see 24 plus 5. 24 plus 5 is 29, तो 29 I will write down here and ये 6 इसके साथ में है, 6 I will write down as it is. Next you see 27 plus 6. 27 plus 6 is 33, तो 33 I will write down here and ये 3 इसके साथ में है, 3 I will write down here as it is. Now next you see 30 plus 7. 30 plus 7 is 37. 37 I will write down here and 0 ये इसके साथ में है, तो 0. Now this is the table of 37. With the help of calculator you can check 37 ones are 37, 37 twos are 74, 37 threes are 111, 37 fours are 148, 37 fives are 185, 37 sixes are 222, 37 sevens are 259, 13 7 8s are 296, 37 nines are 333, and 37 tens are 370. So like this is the table of 37. Now you can see here, I have drawn the line. So I'm going to explain you what I have done here. So now let's see how you will do this work. Now see, this is 26 and 38. Up 26 may I have 2 and 6 I have written here separately. 2, you can see here, this is the table of 2. 6, you can see here, this is the table of 6. And in 38 this is 3, so this is the table of 3, and this is the table of 8. So first step is we will draw the line. कहाँ से line draw करेंगे? जहां से हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के नंबर्स में 2 डिजिट नंबर्स स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमारे 2 डिजिट नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं? 12 से. यहां से हमारे 2 डिजिट नंबर स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. यहां से हमने ये लाइन ड्रॉ करी है, एंड इसके बिल्कुल सामने ऑपोजिट टू दिस we will draw another line here, and here also in 38 8 के नीचे 2 digit number कहाँ से start हो रहे हैं? 16 से start हो रहे हैं. तो here we have drawn this line, and इस line के बिल्कुल opposite I have drawn the line here. So now we have to add these. Okay, so I am going to make a mark of addition. Okay, I am going to make a mark of addition here. We have to add line के बीच में जो numbers हैं, 2 लाइन्स हमारे पास हैं, एंड इन 2 लाइन्स के बीच में हमारे पास जो नंबर्स हैं, हमको उनको ऐड करना है. लाइन के बीच में हमारे पास जो नंबर हैं, हमें उनको ऐड करना है. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द टेक्स्ट बॉक्स हियर. दिस इज 26, तो 26 को हम एक साथ लिखें. नेक्स्ट यू सी, दिस इज लाइन के बीच में, दिस इज 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 I will write down here, and 2 इसके साथ में है, तो 2 I will write down here as it is. नेक्स्ट यू सी, दिस इज लाइन के बीच में 6 plus 7 है, तो 6 plus 1, सॉरी 6 plus 1 है. 6 plus 1 is 7, तो 7 I will write down here, and इसके साथ में ये 8 है, तो 8 we will write down here as it is. नेक्स्ट यू सी, 9 के बीच में, दिस इज 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10, तो 10 we will write here, and इसके साथ में ये 4 है, तो 4 we will write down here as it is. नेक्स्ट यू सी, 9 के बीच में, दिस इज 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13, so 13 we will write here, and इसके साथ में ये 0 है, तो 0 we will write down here as it is. Next you see, 9 के बीच में 12 plus 3 है. 12 plus 3 is 15, तो 15 we will write down here, and 6 set to 6 here we will write down as it is. Next you see, this is 14 plus 4. 14 plus 4 is 18, तो 18 we will write down here, and 18 के साथ में ये 2 है, तो 2 we will write down here as it is. Now next you see, 9 के बीच में 16 plus 4 है. 16 plus 4 is 20. 16 plus 4 is 20, तो 20 we will write down here, and इसके साथ में ये 8 है, तो 8 we will write down as it is. Next you see, 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is 23. Okay, 18 plus 5 is 23, and ये साथ में 4 है, तो 4 here I have written here as it is. Now next you see, 20 plus 6 है, तो here 20 plus 6 is 26 I have written here, and इसके साथ में ये 0 है, तो 0 I have written as it is. Now you can see, this is the table of 26. Take the calculator and check. This is your table of 26. So like the same, you can make the table of 38 on your own. Now next, see next question. See, I have made the work very easy and interesting. You can just look at my slide and I have made the work very interesting for you. So I'm going to annotate it first. Let me tell you how I have done this. Now see 68 में 6 and 8 I have written separately. Now you see, I'm going to draw the line here also. यहाँ से 2-digit numbers are going to start. So what I will do is I will draw the line here and इसके बिल्कुल opposite I will draw the line here. So अब क्या करना है? What we have to do? I will make the mark of addition here. This is the mark of addition. अब line के बीच में this is 12 plus 1. line के बीच में next 18 plus 2. लाइन के बीच में नेक्स्ट 24 प्लस 3, लाइन के बीच में नेक्स्ट 30 प्लस 4, लाइन के बीच में नेक्स्ट 36 प्लस 4, लाइन के बीच में नेक्स्ट 42 प्लस 5, लाइन के बीच में नेक्स्ट 48 प्लस 6, लाइन के बीच में नेक्स्ट 54 प्लस 7. सो लाइक दिस आपको ऐड करना है एंड ये जो लाइन के बाद में जो नंबर्स है आप एज इट इज लिखेंगे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, लुक एट द टेबल ऑफ 74 हियर. Please don't do the mistake why I have taken this table. यहाँ पे देखिए 4 is a single digit number, 8 is also a single digit number, मगर ये 12 से 2 digit numbers are going to start here. I will draw the line here. जहां से मैंने 12 की लाइन ड्रॉ करी है बिल्कुल उसके ऑपोजिट I will draw one more line. अब लाइन के बीच में जो नंबर्स हैं हमें उनको ऐड करना है. So I will put the mark of addition. So now I'm going to tell you how can you do this table of 74 here. So I'm going to take the text box to do the work here. Yes, 74 में 7 and 4 we will write down together. Okay, next you see this is 148. 148 में we will write down these numbers together. 148. Okay, because 8 is a single digit number. Next you see what is this? लाइन के बीच में जो नंबर्स हैं, लाइन के बीच में कौन से नंबर्स हैं? 21 प्लस 1. ओके, 21 प्लस 1 इज 22. तो 22 वी विल राइट डाउन हियर एंड इसके साथ में ये 2 है तो 2 वी विल राइट डाउन एज इट इज. नेक्स्ट यू सी लाइन के बीच में कौन से नंबर हैं? 21 प्लस 28 प्लस 1. 28 प्लस 1 इज 29. 29 आई हैव रिटन हियर. 6 इसके साथ में I have written as it is. नेक्स्ट लाइन के बीच में देखिए कौन से नंबर्स हैं? 35 plus 2. 35 plus 2 is 37. 37 I have written here. 0 I have written as it is. नेक्स्ट लाइन के बीच में से 42 plus 2. 42 plus 2 is 44 I have written here. एंड साथ में ये 4 है. 4 I have written as it is. Next लाइन के बीच में कौन से नंबर है? 49 plus 2. 49 plus 2 is 51. 51 I have written here and 8 ये इनके साथ में है. 8 I have written here as it is. Next लाइन के बीच में देखिए this is 56 plus 3. 56 plus 3 is 59. 59 I have written here and इसके साथ में ये 2 है तो 2 here I have written as it is. Next you see 63 plus 6 plus 3 लाइन के बीच में है. This is 63 plus 3 लाइन के बीच में है. 63 plus 3 is 66. 66 I have written here and ये 6 लास्ट में ऐसे ही है तो 6 I have written as it is. Next you see लाइन के बीच में 70 plus 4 है तो 70 plus 4 is 74. 74 I have written here and 0 here I have written as it is. Now with the help of calculator you can check. This is the table of 74. So I have made your work very easy and I have made your work very interesting. If you just look at the slide, you will enjoy doing this work. You will just love this work. You will just fall in love with this work. So I hope you will enjoy this work a lot. Now next I want to see what is there with you for you. So I just want to see what is there for you. Yes, here you see again. The work is interesting. I'm just going to annotate here for you. I'm just going to explain here. Now you see 75 में 7 and 5 I have written separately. And 5 के नीचे देखिए, this is the table of 5. 7 के नीचे is the table of 7. And 5 के नीचे यहाँ से 2 digit numbers start हो रहे हैं. Okay, and you see this 84 के table में, this is 8 and 4 I have written here separately. 8, this is the table of 8. And 4 के नीचे देखिए, this is the table of 4. मगर आप लाइन 84 के टेबल में कहां से ड्रॉ करेंगे? हियर व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज द लाइन. ओके, 4 is one digit number, you will not draw the line here. 8 is one digit number, you will not draw the line here. लाइन कहां से ड्रॉ करनी है आपको? जहां से यहाँ पे आपके 2 digit numbers स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे. मगर आप ये 16 को देखिए, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको गलती बिल्कुल भी नहीं करनी, बिल्कुल भी. बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देना है. 16 में आप लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ करेंगे, 24 के सामने से आप लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आप एडिशन का मार्क लिखेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज द मार्क ऑफ एडिशन. अब ये थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया है. ओके, कोई बात नहीं, दिस इज थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया है, बट स्टिल यू कैन जस्ट मैनेज विथ दैट. So I'm going to write down the table of 84. 84 में 8 and 4 separate हैं, तो I have written these 84 together. Now 168, इनको हम एक साथ लिख देंगे 168. Okay, next you see लाइन के बीच में कौन से नंबर हैं? 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 I have written here. And ये 2 यहाँ पे 2 I have written as it is. Next you see लाइन के बीच में 32 plus 1 है. 32 plus 1 is 33. 33 I have written here. And ये 6 इसके साथ में है. 6 here I have written as it is. Next लाइन के बीच में 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 is 42. 42 I have written here. And ये 0 इनके साथ में है. 0 I have written here as it is. Next लाइन के बीच में this is 48 plus 2. 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 I have written here. 4 ये इनके साथ में है. 4 I have written here as it is. Next you see लाइन के बीच में 56 plus 2 है. 56 plus 2 is 58. I have written here. And इनके साथ में ये 8 है यहाँ पे, तो 8 here I have written as it is. Next लाइन के बीच में 64 plus 3 है. लाइन के बीच में 64 plus 3 is 67. Okay, 67 I will write down here. 2 इसके साथ में है. 2 I will write down as it is. Next you see लाइन के बीच में 72 plus 3 है. 72 plus 3 is 75. 75 I will write down here. 6 इसके साथ में है. 6 I will write down as it is. Next you see लाइन के बीच में 80 plus 4 है, तो that is 84. 84 I will write down here. And 0 I will write down as it is. So this is so easy, so simple work for you. You can easily do this work. This is very easy. This is very simple for you. Okay, so now let's see how will you do the work here. In this table, you will draw the line from here. You will draw the line from here. अब ये 10 के साथ में आपने यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करी है, तो यहाँ भी आप इस तरह से लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, एंड यहाँ पे आप एडिशन लिखेंगे. ओके, here you have to add these numbers. So I'm going to take a text box here. I'm going to take a text box here. So 7 and 5 को एक साथ लिखेंगे. This is 75. Okay, next you see लाइन के बीच में कौन से नंबर्स हैं? लाइन के बीच में कौन से नंबर्स हैं? लाइन के बीच में है आपका 14 plus 1. Okay, लाइन के बीच में है 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 है, एंड इनके साथ में ये 0 है, तो 0 you will write down here as it is. नेक्स्ट लाइन के बीच में कौन से नंबर है? लाइन के बीच में 21 plus 1 है. 21 plus 1 is 22, तो 22 you will write down here. 5 you will write down here as it is. Next you see लाइन के बीच में कौन से नंबर्स हैं? 28 plus 2. 28 plus 2 is 30, तो 30 आप यहाँ लिखेंगे, एंड 30 के साथ में 0 है, तो 0 you will write down here as it is. Now next you see लाइन के बीच में कौन से नंबर्स हैं? 35 plus 2. 35 plus 2 is 37. 37 you will write down here. and 5 इसके साथ में यहाँ पे है, तो you will write down here. Now for next you see line के बीच में कौन से numbers हैं? 42 plus 3, 42 plus 3 is 45. 45 आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे and इनके साथ में ये 0 है, तो 0 here you will write down as it is. Next you see line के बीच में कौन से number हैं? 49 plus 3, 49 plus 3 is 52. 52 you will write down here and 5 इनके साथ में है, 5 you will write down here as it is. Next you see line के बीच में कौन से नंबर है? 56 plus 4, 56 plus 4 is 60. 60 you will write down here and 0 इनके साथ में है, 0 you will write down here as it is. Now next you see line के बीच में कौन से numbers हैं? 63 plus 4. 63 plus 4 is 67. 67 आप यहाँ लिखेंगे and 5 इनके साथ में है, 5 you will write down as it is. Next you see line के बीच में कौन से numbers हैं? 70 plus 5. 70 plus 5 is 75. 75 आप यहाँ लिखेंगे, 0 you will write down as it is. So you take the calculator, check the table of 75 also, you will find this answer. So I hope you like my work, you like the video, you find it very interesting, very creative. I have made the very creative, very interesting work for you. I hope you are learning and you are enjoying also watching my video. And thanks for watching the video. Please practice some more questions based on these problems. Thanks for watching my video. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel.